A servo motor is a specialized electric motor designed for precise control of angular position, velocity, and acceleration. These motors are widely used in various applications that require accurate and controlled motion, such as robotics, CNC machines, and remote-controlled devices. A servo motor is a compact and precise device widely used in robotics, automation, and control systems. It operates by receiving electrical signals that dictate its position and speed, allowing for accurate and controlled movement. Inside, a feedback mechanism ensures that the motor adjusts its position to match the desired output, making it ideal for applications requiring precision, such as robotic arms, 3D printers, and CNC machines. The versatility and reliability of servo motors make them a cornerstone of modern engineering and robotics, enabling the automation of intricate tasks with precision and efficiency. A servo motor is an indispensable component for applications that demand accurate and controlled angular motion. Whether you're building a robot, operating CNC machinery, or creating remote-controlled devices, these motors provide the precision and reliability required for various motion control tasks.